This one is stronger than the number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. It is the strongest. This one is going to give you whitening effect. Are you interested in lightening your skin without using any body lotion? Like, you want to lighten up your skin, but you don't want to use a body lotion. You want to use only body oils to achieve that. Or you have strong body pigmentations. What I mean by that is you have this very strong dark knee, or you have dark elbow, you have some very dark parts of your body that you are looking for a strong lightening body oil that is going to help you to clear that pigmentation. Or you are even using a lightening body lotion, but it's not just cutting it for you. Your skin is so tough, like your skin is very tough. You have tried other brightening body oils and they have not worked for you, and you need something stronger, something more effective, something that if you buy, you are very sure that it is going to deliver. Then today's video is for you, because I'm going to be giving you the best exclusive lightening and whitening body oils. I'm going to be giving you a list of 5 of them. Number 1 on my list is the one that basically everybody can use, both caramel skin. Do you understand? Number 3 on my list is for people with very stubborn skin. Your skin is stubborn, or the long way and tough. It's very tough. Number 3 is for you. And then number 5 is also one of the strongest, but it is for aging skin. So if you know that you are in your 40s, 50s, 60s, and you're still interested in lightening up your skin, in glowing your skin, and shining, and all of those good stuff, then wait for my number 5, because that is the one that has ingredients that would also benefit your aging skin while lightening up your skin. So if this interests you, please stick around. Also like the video, like this video. Any of these products you buy, they are going to work for you. So please like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you're seeing me for the first time, I am Beautiful Jenny. Here we share daily updates on everything skincare. Leave a comment if you have questions, contributions, concerns, whatever it is. Leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you. Let's begin. So the first one on my list is for people that have a softer skin. Like, you have a softer skin, but you have tried some brightening body oils and you feel like they are not working the way you want. They are not giving you that results you want. Then this number 1 is for you, because it is going to glow your skin, lighten your skin over time, brighten your skin, help you with minor pigmentations and all of those things. Do you understand? And that is the Lumin exclusive carrot oil. Now, this is a natural lightening organic carrot extract skin lightening body oil. That was like I rapped, right? But this is an organic carrot oil, a product that works, product that will help to lighten up your skin gradually. Now, I added this to the list. As I said earlier, it is for people that have a bit of a softer skin. Your skin is not so tough, but you have not just found that body oil for you that has like given you that result you want. You want something just a little bit more active, go for this particular one. It is going to do it for you. It's going to brighten your skin, lighten your skin over time, and give you that glowing, beautiful skin. And this you can use head to toe. Do you understand? You can use it head to toe, and it is safe to be used on the body topically like that. Okay, I'm still going to maybe explain how to use these body oils at the end of the video. So if that is you want to know how to use it, keep watching for this one. So this product is made by MGC Philippines Cosmetics. It is made it is made in the Philippines. Okay, I personally contacted this brand to make sure that this product is original, because I checked out their websites and I didn't see this particular body oil on the website. So I was like, this, are you sure is this product, is this brand that has this particular? Because when you pick up the body oil, you are going to see their website, you're going to see their contact and everything. So I expected to see this oil on their website, but it wasn't there. So I had to chat them up on WhatsApp to confirm that this is actually their product, and they confirmed to me that yeah, this is their product. So if you want their website link or address, let me know in the comment section. Although it's not there, maybe you find, maybe I didn't do a thorough job or something, or you can chat them up on WhatsApp and all of those things. So yeah, you can let me know. I will drop their link in the comment section for you. Okay, so this is the first one on my list. Now this number 2, based on the ingredients list that I checked, I'm going to recommend this for you that have a tough skin, but you have some body issues. Let me say you have something like stretch marks, you have something like green veins, like you have some skin issues you are having. Okay, so you need something strong but not so strong. The products you are supposed to use, the formulation is still supposed to be moisturizing. So if you fall under this bracket of people, then this second one is for you. Now, the name of this second product is the Juli Gold Lightening Body Oil. Now, this has carrot oil. Okay, it has vitamin E, it has lactic acid. Now, this lactic acid here is an exfoliant, so this particular body oil is going to exfoliate your skin and also lighten your skin. Do you understand? Anything that has a tendency to exfoliate your skin can lighten up your skin by, shedding off dead skin cells and exposing to the surface that new skin. As that new skin comes out, your skin automatically feels brighter, feels lighter, feels softer. And then the next ingredient it has is glycerin, it has jojoba oil, and it has almond oil. So I would say that the active ingredients in this particular body oil is the carrot oil and the lactic acid. Carrot oil for lightening, lactic acid for exfoliating. Do you understand? And they have almond oil, jojoba oil for moisturizing your skin. So just in case you have skin issues or to prevent you from having skin issues. So these are the things you need to be checking when you are buying a product. The ingredient composition matters. The ingredient composition or formulation is going to depend who is supposed to use a particular product. Do you understand? Yeah. So now let us move to the number 3. The number 3 that is for people with stubborn skin. So this one now, if you have stubborn skin, one, or maybe you have stubborn but sensitive skin, but you want something you will use in specific parts of your body. That is, you are not using it all over your body because you have sensitive skin, but you just want to target some specific pigmentations on your body. Then this number 3 is for you. And that number 3 is the Advanced White 5D Whitening Body Oil. 5D Whitening Body Oil. This body oil is legit going to whiten your skin, extra lighten you if you are not a fair person already. Do you understand? So personally, I will recommend this for a fair person. I'll recommend it for a fair person. If you are not fair, please do not use this oil, because so it doesn't give you bleaching effect. Okay, because if you are a dark person and using something that is 5D whitening, I don't know, it's going to bleach your skin typically. So even if you want to lighten your skin to that level, I always suggest to start from the ground root. Start with something like this, number 1. Okay, use it for some months before you graduate to something stronger, so that your skin is going to follow you up. Sometimes a lot of people are lightening their skin, but their skin left them in one bus stop and them they're in another place. That is why you have dark knuckles, dark elbows, and all of those things, because you want to lighten your skin. Okay, so that is it. Now this particular product, let me tell you the ingredients it contains. Now this has alpha arbutin, it has niacinamide, it has white, it has azelaic acid. Do you understand? So this has 3 active ingredients in it. Alpha arbutin being the first. Alpha arbutin, which is a tyrosinase inhibitor, which is something that inhibits melanin production on your skin. And then it has white again, which is a very, very strong organic whitening powder. Okay, and then it has azelaic acid, that is also a skin exfoliator that helps with skin cell renewal and all of those. So this particular body oil is super duper effective. So as I said, it is for people with tough skin, people that have serious hyperpigmentation, like you are a fair person but your skin has gotten dark and you need that thing you start using that is going to brighten your skin and whiten your skin over time. Go for this particular one. You have stubborn skin, this number 3 is for you. Now my number 4 also is for people that have tough sensitive skin. Do you understand? For people that have tough sensitive skin. Now this number 3, if you are someone that has stretch marks, okay, the number 3 we talked about, if you're someone that has stretch marks, you have to be careful while using this particular product, because it doesn't have much moisturizing oils and all of this. Part 1 is mainly to lighten your skin. The work of Advanced White 5D whitening oil is to whiten and lighten your skin. Do you understand? Now, number 4 on my list is the Lily White Arabian Whitening Body Oil. Okay, this particular one also has vitamin E, it has carrot oil, it has lactic acid, it has papaya oil, and it has tranexamic acid. Tranexamic acid also, that is a tyrosinase inhibitor. So this one and the advanced whites, they are similar. They have higher lightening whitening ingredients than they have moisturizing ingredients. I know why I'm explaining these things for you, because some people go and buy these oils without the right knowledge of the formulation, without the right knowledge of the ingredients that they contain. So make sure you are buying these oils according to your skin type, according to your skin needs, according to your skin issues. Okay, so if you have stretch marks, if you have green veins, this number 3 and number 2, be careful number 3 and number 4, be careful while using it. Even though they have vitamin E, I feel it is not enough. Okay, the number 2 is an example of a correct balance of lightening and moisturizing. These ones are typically lightening products. Carrot seed oil, lactic acid for exfoliation, papaya oil for lightening again, tranexamic acid also for lightening and inhibiting tyrosinase on your skin or on your body. So this is very, very good. Now, the 5th on my list, the one that is for the super whitening and also for anti-aging. Let's go for that one. Now, before we go to the 5th, please, if you have not liked this video at this point, kindly click the like button. It helps YouTube to know that this video is good, and it suggests it to more people that need content like this. Do you understand? So that's why it's really important to me that you like the video, you share the video, and you subscribe and leave a comment in the comment section. Do you understand? Thank you. I believe you have done it for me. Now, this 5th one, let's look at the ingredient. The name of the product is Egyptian half-caste body oil. If you have used this oil or any of these products, let us know in the comment section how it was on your skin. Now, this particular one has Egyptian powder. It has Egyptian powder, it has Filipino powder and solution, it has alpha arbutin, it has glutathione, it has licorice extract, it has kojic acid, it has collagen in it. Like, this one is the baba of the babaest. This one is stronger than the number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. It is the strongest. This one is going to give you whitening effect. Do you understand? It is going to give you a whitening effect because it has strong organic lightening product powders in it. These are products that never slack, if you know what I mean. Filipino powder and solution, Egyptian powder, no, you don't joke with those ingredients. Do you understand? They work. Okay, so as I said, this particular one is also for people with very tough aging skin. You know, sometimes when someone starts aging, when you get to 40, 50, 60 and the rest, your skin has become tough. Like, light things don't really work for you again, especially for people that want to lighten their skin. One sign, or I think it's sign of aging, especially for African skin, is you start having very strong pigmentations that refuse to clear, and that is because your body's collagen has dropped, your skin cells renewal has really reduced. So before a product works for you, you will sweat. Do you understand? So that is why this particular one is going to work for you, because it is super duper strong, and it also has anti-aging ingredients in it. It's also going to help your aging skin. Now, this particular product is manufactured by Lead Business Investment, and it is made in Egypt. So please, if you are buying this product, make sure you check them very well and be sure you are getting the original one. So this one can be used on the face and on the body. In fact, all the products here can be used on the face and on the body, but make sure you do a patch test, because not every product, not every oil works for everybody. There are some people that can use coconut oil on their face. Some people, once coconut oil touches their face, rashes, redness will fill their faces. So these things are not one shoe fits all. If you buy them, try it, put it on the side of your face, give it 24 hours and see how that place is. If it is okay, then you can continue. Even as you continue, you still be vigilant and make sure that once you see any irritation, you stop using it on your face. Do you understand? So make sure you check it before fully using it full time on your face. And then this product, please remember, you should use it only at night. Even the number one, use it at night, just to be on the safe. That number one, you can use it in the morning and at night, but just so you are safe, use it at night. Every other one, please compulsorily use them at night. So as I said, these are body oils you can use to lighten your skin even without the use of a body lotion. If you are someone that doesn't like to use body lotion, get any of these body oils and it is going to work for you. It's going to give you that beautiful, supple, soft, radiant, fair, yellow, white skin, depending on which one you get. So these products are good. Remember, if you're using your body oil solely alone, make sure you use it on damp skin. Make sure you don't dry your skin totally and then come and be applying oil. You're going to be sealing in dryness. Once you bathe, probably don't clean your body, just come out like that and apply oil, allow it to dry into your skin. Do you understand? That's the best way to use body oils, and you're going to see that softness, you're going to see that, color. Your color is going to start popping and all of those things. So that's everything. If you have more questions, let me know in the comment section. If you have used any of this product, let us know how it was, how it worked for you, how much you bought it, in the comment section. And also, I offer one-on-one skin consultation. If you want me to help you to build your skin care routine, to rearrange your product, or to help you with a particular skin issue you have been having, or you have skincare questions that you want to ask, you want to buy a product, you want to know how it is, you can contact me one-on-one on WhatsApp, and then we can have a one-on-one skincare consultation. Please, this service is not free, but it comes in an affordable price. Okay, so thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. I'm super excited and glad that you watched to this point. If you watched to this point, let me know in the comment section. Let me give you a hug for being my MVP. Thank you. Bye.